So we're just a couple of days away from the much awaited Pixel 8 launch, and as expected, a plethora of Pixel information has been leaked. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. First, if you pre-order the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll get a new Pixel Watch 2. And considering the Pixel Watch 2 might go for around $350, that's a sweet pre-order deal in my book. If you're leaning towards the regular Pixel 8, you'll get the Pixel Buds Pro for free. Now keep in mind this offer is for the United States, and pre-order deals can vary by country, so do a quick check before you hit that order button. And if you're wondering, these are the official prices for the phones. The Pixel 8 Pro is still priced the same as last year, while the regular variant is seeing a $100 price hike. Next, we've got an early unboxing video of the Pixel 8 thanks to PBK Reviews. This video not only gives us a sneak peek inside the box, but also shows off the design. And unlike the Pixel 8 Pro, which has that matte back, the Pixel 8 will rock a glossy one. They don't show the front too much, but they do give us a peek at what's inside the box, a USB Type-C cable and an OTG connector. Moving on, there are more official promo videos of the Pixel 8 lineup, where Google is all about making it super easy to switch to Pixel. Google also shows off some AI features, with the new one being the best take, which uses AI to change faces in photos. It basically assesses a burst of photos and chooses the best one with the help of AI, which helps you to capture that perfect moment, which is cool. But I'm most eager to see how the night side video is gonna perform. If Google nails that, it could be a game changer, just like night side was for photos. I'm stoked to see how that turns out. Next, we've got some hands-on pics of the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm a fan of curved displays, but I've gotta admit, the Pixel 8 Pro with its thin, uniform bezels might just outshine the Pixel 7 Pro in the looks department. They've also gone from a glossy back to a matte one, which is a welcome change. There are some photos of workers unboxing the phone in the porcelain color. Not the best quality, but it gives us a taste of what it looks like. And if you're into high-res pics, these are the official ones of both the Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel 8 in all their color variations. Lastly, the marketing materials show off the official silicone cases for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. The Pro comes in beige, charcoal, mint, and porcelain colors, while the Pixel 8 gets rose, mint, charcoal, and hazel. They kinda look like last year's cases. All in all, Google is really pushing its AI game with the Pixel 8 lineup, and considering the potential for future phones with generative AI like ChatGPT or Google's Bard, we might be in for a whole new smartphone experience, and Google with its Pixel phones might have an upper hand. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.